We're locked down with 5 kids. We're here on Long Island. You know this area. You have a house out here. I see you every now and then in the summertime.
In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
Right.
You know, a person say they're not photogenic. Well, it's a euphemism for, well, you're probably unattractive. You're ugly. When you say I'm not photogenic, it means you're ugly. It's a euphemism.
But I could also assume, you know, you're a big guy. You look athletic. I could assume.
No, you got a cool nose.
I got a big nose.
You got a big nose, but you got a nose that knows. You know.
With me, you said, "Keep it going for Billy Bear," and then you leaned in. You're like, "You're gonna be a big star." That's what you said.
And I meant it. Do you want to know
why? You ain't been to my house and seen. I got a massive aquarium.
Catering cart. Remember to...
Yeah. Well, you got...
with the circus, actually. I wasn't very athletically inclined, but...
Have you ever...
How to live their life. You know, honey.
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging. And
You ready to...
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.